So we've got the battery on a full charge now, and it's April the 15th, and it's 4, and the little Mickey's is almost on the 8. So we'll go ahead and get this installed into it, and most importantly, we want to make sure that our prongs are lined up. So we press it down inside of it. We'll turn the power on the battery. And now we've got activation. So we'll set this down into a low mode of -4 degrees, and we'll let this sit and we'll see when that battery actually dies. But when it comes down to it, there's a couple different models available in this right here. But what I like about it, it's super well insulated. So, you're talking about 4 or 5 days of keeping, drinks or so forth cool and cold depending on, the temperature outside. But after 5 days sitting in the garage at 95 degrees from frozen state here, there was still ice in these bottles here. So I know it's super strong when it comes to, keeping that insulation in. Now this has a divider on the inside that goes all the way down to the base on both sides of it. But you're talking, again, 68 to 32 degrees in 15 minutes, but then it'll drop down to -4 degrees. And this thing is just super well insulated. So you can use the optional battery that's, additional inside the links there. But when it comes down to it, you can use this on a 110, 220. You can use it on a 12 volt, 24 volt. And this right here comes with the provided, cables that connect to this. So all you got to do is load your drinks up. And ideally what you want to do is, pre-cool this. So that way you got, less, time actually charging. But you're talking about, 45 watts or less on using these models right here in the eco-friendly mode here. So if you want to find more details, check it out in the meantime. But we'll do a part 2 on when this battery lays down on us. But right now we're at 5 bars. We're sitting on -4 cooling down, and we'll check back.